Hi everyone, I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and it is time again for our unboxing of the monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. Now this is the May kit, and as always, I am so excited to see what's inside and what the oils are that we will be getting this month. If you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Every month with the Essential Oil Recipe Box, you get 4 full-size oils, 6 recipe cards, as well as some other goodies to help make those recipes. The subscription box is $39 a month. Cancel anytime. And right now I have a great little coupon code for you. If you enter in the code CRAFTYFREE at simplyearth.com, then you will get a free $40 gift card with your first subscription box order. So that means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can go to their online store and simply purchase other supplies from their store. So that is a great deal. Don't miss out on that. Now, along with the monthly essential oil recipe box, you also get the big bonus box. Now, this box comes every 6 months. So it'll come on your first, with your first box, and every 6 months after. So when you get this box, your monthly kit will come inside. It'll be inside like that. But let's go over what is inside our big bonus box. Now this is absolutely free, no additional cost. These are just extra supplies that you'll need to make those recipes in each month's box. So we have beeswax, and I want you to notice everything is 100% pure. Everything from Simply Earth is 100% pure. We have coconut oil. Now this is the cold press. Almond oil for a carrier oil, and then we also have the fractionated coconut oil. This is the liquid coconut oil. Then we have 6 amber bottles that are for roll-ons, because every month you get a roll-on recipe, and you get 6 amber bottles that are the dropper bottles for your diffuser recipes, because you also get a diffuser recipe every month, and the diffuser recipes are always my favorite. I love the smells. Give me all the smells. So that is everything that comes in your big bonus box, again, every 6 months. Before we open our May essential oil recipe box, I do just want to point out that 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to end human trafficking. And that's not just from the subscription boxes, that is site-wide. So I love that that is a cause that they stand behind. All right, are we ready? I've got my little knife blade here. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. It's like a birthday gift every month. All right, it always comes with a little paper to just kind of explain what everything is, but I like it to be a surprise. And we are going to start with the oils. We've got lemon. We have marjoram. And then we have Lady's Choice. Every month with the kit, you will get a blend that is exclusive to Simply Earth, and this month's is Lady's Choice, and we have spearmint. Okay, now let's take a look at the extra goodies that we have. We have some aloe vera, a little round container, maybe for some deodorant or something. We'll see when we look at our recipes, and a spray bottle. Let's take a look at our recipe cards. We have turmeric infusion, cooling spray, Mother's Day diffuser blend, Flow roll-on, moisturizing hair mask, and beauty skincare balm. Awesome! I am so excited to try some of these recipes. Now last but definitely not least is the sticker sheet. I love that they come with sticker sheets for labels because then everything matches, especially like for the roll-on bottles and the diffusers. Those labels match the labels from their full-size oils perfectly. So everything just goes together, and I love it when things go together. And then we have these little round stickers here. They go on the tops of the bottles. So if you keep all of your oils like in a box or something, you don't have to lift out each oil to see what it is because its name is right on its lid, and I love that. So if you want to get in on this essential oil recipe fun, go to simplyearth.com and make sure to use that coupon code CRAFTYFREE for your free $40 gift card. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.